Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to do a quick brow tutorial. My eyelids got stained from that eye look I did yesterday. Yeah, so we're going to do a quick brow tutorial. And I have my spoolie that I'm going to use to brush out the little bit of eyebrows that I have here. I wasn't blessed with much. So we're just going to do a quick brow, and you're going to see how I create my look. I have my Girl Pomade that I'm going to use on the eyebrow, and let's get started. So we're just going to line a little bit of brow, the bottom part of it that I have. So I'm going to use that and line it because I wasn't blessed with much brow. So we're going to fake it. At this moment I wasn't feeling so well now. So let me get cracking. I promised Nikeisha that I was going to do this brow this morning so she can see how I do my brow. So Nikeisha, hey girl, I hope this gives you some guidance. So you see how I drew the top and coming down to the bottom. Yeah. And but to give it a little definition that you see a lot of YouTubers do, I'm just going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm going to use the lighter one to the bottom and the darker concealer to the top because I really don't like the kind of too light outline. No, I don't like that. So the darker one will go to the top, which is more along the color of my foundation. I'm sweating, yes. I think I have to turn up the AC. Alright, so we're going to use, I have a little angle brush that I use to the bottom of my eye. You're supposed to be using like a flat brush, but that don't really work for me. So we're going to use a little angle brush. It's more like a cheap thing for me. Alright, so we're going to use the cool tan to the bottom. And we're using the almond at the top. If you don't have two different concealers, you can always use your foundation to the top, but the concealers are the consistency is a little thicker, so it gives a better lining. So I tap it just where I would have drawn the eyebrow. And go down the line. I saw my girl on her channel did hers, and she just slide that thing across. I have to take my precious time because my fingers don't really my hand does the view until when you're ready. I tell him to go one way and he going the other. Alright. And then you just don't leave the excess concealer to settle because it dries down pretty fast and will be difficult to blend out. So you don't want the outline of the eyebrow to look too whitish, and the concealer to get too thick. That don't look good at all. So we're going to use the almond Girl Pro Concealer to the top. And we're going to do the very same thing. Right now I'm cooking a little late today. Lining this off. And you're getting rid of the excess one time. You're not leaving that there to thicken up at all. My hand's kind of in the way. I'm gonna fix this. very straight, huh? Use the brush to straighten it out. That's it. So it looks like it needs a little bit more straight. And then you just slide the brush to how straight you want it. Get rid of that little piquancy in there. Camera, you're being a little sucky today, no camera. And that's it. Brow done. So guys, that's it. I'll just do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm back, both brows drawn. So yeah, that's how you do it. So thank you for joining me for such a short tutorial. If you have any questions, you can always leave me in the comment section below. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to do a blue eye look. Bye.